want to show you all how to work with placeholder objects that you use on master slides. First of all, I've got a very simple project here. Just got 3 film strip slides, 1, 2, and 3. Just a blank project that I created. I'm also using the blank theme, which I used through the Themes menu. Show Hide Themes, I just used blank. The bottom of my Captivate interface, I've got a master slide panel. On that master slide panel, I've got some default master slides. This one's called blank. I'm going to make my own content master slide just to start from scratch. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to choose Slides, Content Master Slide. This is my new content master slide. Doesn't have a name, so I'll just call it Kevin. Any name's fine. And on that content master slide, I've already got a logo that I copied to my clipboard. I'm just going to right click and I'm going to choose Paste. And the logo is going to show up in the middle of the new content master slide. I'm going to drag it to the bottom right of the master slide, position it the way I want. And now I'm going to assign that new Kevin content master slide to these 3 film strip slides. So I'm going to go and select the film strip slides, and I use my shift click technique to get all 3 of them. And then on the properties panel, I'm going to go to my master slide drop down menu, and I'm going to choose Kevin. And instantly the logo that I added to the content master slide shows up on all 3 slides, which is great. When I teach Captivate in my classes, I kind of equate the relationship between the master slides and the film strip slides as a piece of plexiglass has been covered over top of the film strip slides. So I can click on the logo on each of these slides, but I can't do anything to it. I can't edit it. If I'm not happy, for instance, with the logo itself or the placement, I have to return to the master slide. And then I can drag the logo up, down, left, right, whatever I need to do, and you can see it instantly updated the film strip slides. That piece of plexiglass effect is great, but what if I want to put something on the slide that I want my developers to update from hour to hour, project to project, like a title? If that plexiglass is going to get in the way, it kind of defeats that whole purpose. There is a way around that. Wonderful way, placeholder objects. So I'm going to go back to my Kevin content master slide. And I'm going to go to the Insert menu, and I'm going to choose Placeholder Objects, and I'm going to choose Title, just as an example. The placeholder object shows up in the middle of my slide. I'm going to drag it up and to the left, resize it. I would also format the font, the size, the color, exactly as I want it to appear for every developer and every project. So this would be a great thing to add to a template. Now, if I look at my film strip slides, that placeholder object has already been added to each of my slides. I'm going to go to slide number 1. Now remember, objects on the master slide can't be selected and edited like this logo. But placeholder objects are very different. I can double click the placeholder object and I can actually edit it. This is super cool. Boom. I'll go to this slide, double click. And so is this. Bam. One final thing to show you. So I love that whole placeholder object being able to pass through that piece of plexiglass. That's great. If I move my title, I'll do it here and I'll do it here. Well, that's not where the person who designed this master slide wanted that title. And maybe I've moved it totally accidentally. So check it out. I'm going to go back and select slide number 1. And then I'm going to use this Reset Master Slide. I wish it was named differently. I wish it said Reset to the master slide, because it's not changing the master slide. When I click this button, boom, it puts my title back in its original location. Let's look at it again. This second slide, I'll select the title. Maybe I moved it accidentally. So I'll go ahead and select the slide on the film strip. You do have to select the slide, not slide objects, and I'll click Reset Master Slide. Works perfect every time.